Though other full-size trucks have newer designs, this silver 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 four-wheel drive extended cab offers a comfortable ride without sacrificing utility. It offers a strong engine and a comfortable interiors to complement impressive toughness and towing hauling ratings. It's fully loaded with power windows, power driver's seat, tinted glass, airbags, remote start, power door locks, 40-20-40 split bench seat, 6-inch oval tubular assist steps, 7,000-pound towing capacity, air conditioning, power folding outside mirrors, stability control, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth or your smartphone, fog lamps, XM radio, OnStar, CD player, chrome surround grille with chrome mesh, chrome rear step bumper, cruise control, HD trailering equipment, along with its 5.3-liter V8 engine and four-wheel drive powertrain makes this the right full-size truck for you. Come down to Fort Macleod, Alberta, and test drive this great-looking Silverado for yourself. We invite you to Scougall Motors in Fort Macleod, where it's tradition you can trust. We are located at 869 12th Street, 90 minutes south of Calgary and 30 minutes west of Lethbridge. Have yourself a great day.